what we're hearing from our customers and how this technology is helping them solve some of those challenges, right? Mobility, right? In order to have mobility, you need to have that pervasive coverage, right? Whether it's, in large outdoor facilities or even in large indoor facilities. How do I ensure, I have pervasive coverage so I can really rely on that mobility? I want to make sure that I don't need to rely on external resources to run my business. Everybody understands the impact of when the network is down, if a line is down, how impactful that can be in terms of just minutes. So this technology allows them to really have, the command and control of the network that they really require. There's also the fact that they can optimize and tailor the network for the type of applications that are needed, whether there's voice and video, and we're actually seeing a lot more. One of the examples that SAS showed was the augmented worker. So how do you get more of that rich data flowing through the network? You can go in, fine tune it, and ensure you're getting the quality of service that you need. We actually had a customer just recently switch over to our products because we have this capability, and because they were looking at augmenting their workers, and because they could push this data across the network and do it reliably, they switched over to our products for that. And then finally, security. It's not to say that Wi-Fi is not secure. It's really all about ensuring that the data, sensitive data that customer wants, maintains or is resident within their premises. I was actually reading a very interesting report. 90% of security breaches come from phishing. So how do I, as a company, reduce the number of vectors of which my data could be ascertained externally? So ensuring that I can maintain that key sensitive data within my premises is a big challenge. Private wireless networks helps customers achieve that.